Assalamualaikum. As I conducted a poll on my Insta account and 66% suggested me that my next video should be about Ramzan diet. So we'll be discussing some basics. What food should you have in your pre-dawn meal? Fruits and vegetables which are rich in fiber, it increase feeling of fullness, help prevent constipation. They contain vitamins, minerals and some chemicals which are good for your health. Rice and alternatives which are high fiber carbohydrates and take longer time to digest. That helps to sustain energy level for a longer time period. Meat and alternatives. It helps repair and build body tissues, immune system and strong bones. Health benefits of Ramadan. Dates are one of the healthiest foods. It improves digestion throughout the month. It contains high level of potassium, magnesium and B vitamins. Boosts your brain. Brain functioning is improved and stress levels are reduced. You can easily ditch your bad habits such as smoking and avoid sugary foods. Cholesterol levels in your blood are reduced and it increases your cardiovascular health. The reduction in food consumed throughout fasting causes your stomach to gradually shrink, means you will need to eat less food to feel full. Digestive systems are detoxified throughout the month. When your body starts eating into fat reserves to create energy, it will also burn away any harmful toxins. Metabolism becomes more efficient. If you want to have a balanced diet in Ramadan, you should be consuming food from these major food groups: fruits and vegetables, bread and cereals, meat, fish and chicken, dairy products such as milk and cheese, food containing fat and sugar. Pre-dawn meal, or you can say sehri, you should take complex carbohydrates in sehri, for example whole wheat, oats, beans and rice, because they are rich in fiber. Fresh fruits should be replaced with caffeinated drink as it leads to dehydration. Post-dust meal, iftari. The benefits of dates are they are easy to digest, the feeling of hunger is reduced, it prepares your stomach to receive food after many hours of fasting, it is rich in energy and sugar, it restores nutrients in your body, it prevents constipation as a result of altered meal times. Avoid foods which are deep fried or foods which contain high sugar or high fat. Healthy alternatives: baked spring rolls over baked potato chips or dry frying. मोस्टली लोग ये सोचते हैं कि रमज़ान में हमारी बॉडी स्टार्वेशन मोड के ऊपर चली जाती है, जबकि ये चीज़ दुरुस्त नहीं है. फास्टिंग इज़ नॉट स्टार्वेशन. It is simply not eating or drinking for a period of time, not continuously for days on and without basic nutrients. Basically, it's a intermittent fasting that is controlled within a set number of hours. It allows the body to burn fat cells more effectively than just regular dieting. So we have discussed some basics of Ramadan diet. Thank you for watching.